welcome back to the Bear Cave. Today we've got the new Mone stabs from Velocifier. At first they look like fancy repackaged durock stabilizers, but after using them they really surprised me. First, the packaging is amazing and you can easily assemble the stabilizers without any hassle. The wires came completely straight in both of my packages, which I assume is because of a special QC process. And the washers being pre-installed on the screws has to be one of my favorite additions. After a coat of XHD BDZ and 205G0, I popped them in and they sounded perfect. There was nothing else I had to do. While modified, they sound the same as other high-end stabilizers, but I think the real appeal for these are how easy the modification process is. After one try, about 5 minutes, my tuning was perfect. If you ever want some great, easy screw-in stabilizers, try out the Mone stabs. See you soon.